In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use QR codes in Gmail. To get started, open your web browser, go to the search bar, and type QR code generator, then press enter. You will see several options in the results. Select a free QR code generator website. Choose one that looks simple and does not require an account, since you only need a quick image to place in an email. Once the generator page loads, look for a field labeled URL. In that box, type the website link or the text you want to share. If you are using a website address, make sure it is correct before you generate the code, because the QR code will point exactly to what you enter. After you have confirmed everything looks right, click the button that says Generate or Create. In a moment, the QR code will appear on the page. Next, download the QR code so you can insert it into Gmail. Click the Download button and save the QR code as an image file on your computer. It helps to remember where you saved it, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, so you can find it quickly in the next step. Now open Gmail in a new tab. Once Gmail is open, click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. In the message window, go to the bottom toolbar and click the Insert Photo icon. A pop-up window will appear. Click the Upload tab, then click Select Photos from your computer. Browse to the QR code image you downloaded, select it, and click Open. Gmail will upload the image and place it into the body of your email. Click on the QR code image once to bring up the image options. Choose either Small or Best Fit depending on how you want it to appear. Small is often easier to keep neat, while Best Fit can make it easier to scan. Finally, enter your recipient's email address and add a clear subject line. When everything looks good, click Send. That covers everything you need to know.